Hi, my name is Philip Gauthier, General Manager at GMS Security. GMS Security is a family business with over 40 years of experience and is now one of the largest security companies in Gatineau, Ottawa. Today we bring you on a tour of SoHo Italia project, right here in Ottawa. A complex project including a smart entry intercom and several integrations such as parking management, elevator control, parcel management, and wireless lock for suite. Safety always remains a priority in projects like this. Working with our partner Inaxsys on a project like this one, with so many integrations, ICT Protege GX was the system of choice. We therefore find several partners on this project such as Locomobi for parking management, Asabloy for wireless handle, Snail's Locker for parcel delivery, Arkiv as a camera management software, and Mosino as a smart entry intercom. On this project, each floor is controlled, therefore impossible for a visitor to circulate between floors once inside, which increases the level of security inside the building. When a visitor arrives at the lobby, he communicates with the attendant and the attendant will give him access to the building. Once inside, the visitor will automatically have access to the elevator, but will only be able to have access to the floor at the attendant they are visiting. An interesting fact, all parking management is done automatically. As soon as you enter, it's by license plate recognition that management is done. Another interesting feature on this project is the management of the packages, which is done via the smart intercom. Delivery guys simply present the package to the intercom and place it in the Snail locker. At this moment, the tenants will receive a notification telling them that the package is waiting for them upon their return. We have a few telecommunication rooms on different floors where the control panels are located. On this project, we have more than 60 access doors and 3 elevators and more than 30 cameras throughout the common area.
So as you can see, that project is almost done. The success of a project like this requires good planning, a qualified team, and the right partners. By working with Inaxsys, we ensure that we are working with quality products, but above all, we could count on their very advanced technical support. On behalf of GMS, I thank you and I hope you enjoyed the visit.